So coming to the first bone, that is here, this is the frontal, that is the frontal bone here, frontal bone right side, and this is the frontal of the left side, 1 and 2. So it is a paired cranial bone. So it, in case of the ox, it forms the roof of the cranial cavity, and here big muscle that is called as frontalis muscle. It is covered by a muscle that is called as frontalis muscle, and the shape and the size of this frontal bone, that is determined as the appearance of the forehead of the skull. Okay, so this is the frontal bone, this is one and this is another. So it is paired cranial bone, जो क्या करेगी, that form the roof of the cranial cavity. So for the description, इसमें क्या क्या होता है, there is, this is the body is there, it has got this that is called as supraorbital process, it has got a corneal process, it has got an orbital plate is there, and temporal plate is there. So we will discuss them one by one. So about the body, so this is the body of the frontal bone. It presents two surfaces. ये आगे इसका external surface, and just opposite there will be internal surface or cranial surface. This surface, it is covered by the frontalis muscle, and it presents a groove. आप groove देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, this is the groove. This is known as supraorbital groove. This supraorbital groove. So it marks the course of the frontal vein. So it marks the course of the frontal vein. ठीक है? You can see from this side, this is the supraorbital groove. Yeah, this is the supraorbital groove. So in this supraorbital groove, there is a foramen present that is called as supraorbital foramen. It is called as supraorbital foramen. You can see from this supraorbital foramen. So this is the supraorbital foramen. This supraorbital foramen through which this supraorbital nerve, it passes through this foramen. That is a branch of trigeminal nerve. So this supraorbital foramen, it leads to the supraorbital canal that opens into the orbit. You can see यहाँ से निकलता है ये. So that opens into the orbit. The another opening of this supraorbital canal that opens here in the orbit. So this is the supraorbital foramen. This is supraorbital groove, and through this foramen, which nerve, that is supraorbital nerve, and blood vessels, they pass through this foramen. Then we have this area. This is known as frontal boss. So this area that is between this root of this supraorbital process and the supraorbital groove, this is known as frontal boss. So this was about the external surface of this body of the frontal bone. Now coming to the internal surface. So the opposite to this external surface, there is internal surface that forms the cranial cavity and a part of nasal cavity. So now coming to the different borders. So it has 4 borders. This is the medial border. This is the lateral border. Okay. This is the whole. This is the lateral border. This is the ventral border, and here you can see this is the dorsal border. ये यहाँ से dorsal border आ गई इसका. So the dorsal border, it meets here with, this is the parietal bone. So this dorsal border, it meets with the parietal bone, and these two, the dorsal border of the two bones, here they form an eminence that is called as frontal eminence or torus frontalis or intercorneal protuberance. This is the torus frontalis or frontal eminence or intercorneal protuberance. Now coming to this ventral surface, ventral border. So in this ventral border, of the two bones, they form a notch. So this is the ventral border of one bone. This is the ventral border of this ventral bone. These two bones, they meet, they form a notch for this nasal bone. Now coming to the medial border. The medial border of one frontal bone, it joins with its fellow and form this, it's called as frontal suture. ठीक है, ये frontal suture है, that is formed by the medial border of the two frontal bones. तो ये ventral border है, they form a notch with opposite frontal bone, इसके लिए for the nasal bone. Now coming to this one, that is known as, this is the lateral border. It has three parts. This is called as temporal part, this is orbital part, and this is known as lacrimal part. ठीक है, temporal part हो गया, orbital part हो गया, lacrimal part हो गया. Lacrimal part, it is overlapped with the lacrimal bone. This is the lacrimal bone. ठीक है, ये zygomatic हो गया इधर से. So now this orbital part, it forms the rim of the orbit. ये वाला, this is orbital part of the lateral border, and this is the temporal part. This temporal part, it forms this whole structure. This is known as temporal fossa. So it forms the anterior boundary of temporal fossa, plus it forms the frontal crust. This is the frontal crust. ठीक है, this is the temporal fossa. So this is the frontal crust, that is the temporal part of the lateral border. This is the orbital part, and this is the lacrimal part. So हो गए चार borders. One is the dorsal, this is the ventral, this is medial, and this one, that is the lateral border of the body of the frontal bone. Now coming to this process, this is supraorbital process. It's also called as, that is called as zygomatic process of the frontal bone. ठीक है, zygomatic process of the frontal bone. So medially it is related with, यहाँ से क्या होता है, there is the lacrimal gland. From here there is a lacrimal gland, and this process, it joins with, this is the frontal process of the zygomatic bone. So the frontal process of the zygomatic bone and the zygomatic process of this frontal bone, ठीक है, they together completes the orbit. ठीक है, so this is the supraorbital process or the zygomatic process of the frontal bone. ठीक है, now coming to the next process, that is called as corneal process. This is the corneal process. The corneal process, it arises from the dorsolateral aspect. It is a hollow, porous, bony structure. ठीक है, so it is called as corneal process, या इसको हम horn core भी बोलते हैं. It is covered by, that is known as corium of the horn, and this corneal process internally, it is connected with sinuses. You see यहाँ पे sinuses होते हैं. There are different sinuses, they are called frontal sinus. So it is connected with these frontal sinuses. Now coming to the next part, that is known as, this is called as orbital palate. ठीक है, ये, और this is the orbital palate. This orbital palate, it forms the medial wall of the orbit. ठीक है, it presents one opening. ये opening है, that is the opening. This is the opening of this supraorbital canal, and close to this opening there is another opening, that is known as ethmoidal foramen or orbital foramen. ठीक है, so this is the ethmoidal foramen or orbital foramen. ठीक है, and this orbital palate, it has here, you can see there is a depression or a fossa present, that is called as fovea trochlearis. Here you can see there is a depression present, that is known as fovea trochlearis. It reflects the fibrous or cartilaginous loop from which the superior oblique muscle of the eye is reflected. Here you can see that is the fovea trochlearis. ठीक है, then we have the next part, that is known as, this is the temporal palate. You can see this is the that is the temporal palate. ये orbital plate हो गया, ये temporal plate हो गया, and between these two they are divided by, this is the temporal palate, this is the orbital plate, and इनके बीच में there is a notch here in which the sphenoidal is called sphenoidal notch. You can see this is the sphenoidal notch. This is sphenoidal notch. So this is the ethmoid foramen. Ethmoidal foramen, it comes from the ethmoid bone, so it is connected with the ethmoid bone. ठीक है. So this was all about the frontal bone of the skull of the ox.